Kotoko young Porcupines so two for say to the second U team no eka say ewie ache Prof Quarm Football Club asha no baako mienu miensa ema Prof Quarm for no ete eka no mienu enti at the end of the 90 minutes Kotoko 3 Prof Quarm 2. What it means is say the Division 3 League Zone 1 ekoso sofula alignment no Kumasi Asante Kotoko youth side no na a lady obo mo share goal no and then the match report of this particular game no me dey share e ofie ha then mfoni ba ko bia na da screen so a enra Kotoko share 3-0 no na nkofo bi e bokro no e wo gate wo me no ka say one of the ticket sellers was arrested. I don't pay no matter say penifo akọ ha grant bill na nsensem pii na krono a ekọ so wo no. I've been brief but the whole narrative ekwan a efa so ekọ so ankasa no me the details no Asia e wo fi apacho obe hit the rest subscribe sadi we di Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyanche supporters Emra Stadium no supporters no massa na kakra abano so a people are trying to siphon money. People are trying to steal money. It's serious so nkofo bi wa wodwen omo ho a wonti ase. And another bane for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no is got to do with amanfo mu wura mu ntwia. This and some ticket sellers at the booth bokro Kotoko krono we no we beka say na sa Kotoko for mo na moko fa nipa no ebetna booth also on ton tickets no we no menanche mu kakra enye Kotoko for directly ene fa nipa no once stadium no enye Kotoko dia ita de bia ka say Kotoko ne stadium an ka sebi sa nwoma bi se nyina no etu obetwa asema dwumtuni ni kan no once no crow or say money stop nonsense sa wo scanner wasu stadium a sebi onkobobo emma NSF for enkofa obi se ono na embegiji usika ma because NSF for no so interest wo e na amana basa eno nti ene wo ba bia we aye kan komo we ho ase menna nipa mienu got arrested because they sold tickets to nkofobia sikano anko Kotoko. Details and more with the Asia of you about subscribe or hit the rest subscribe button so no about man so now ya build it together information we are seeing at top na asebone munchiri munu munti ase ene de magia to me ho so no baby a nti ase wo baby a nchiri mu ehia bia no mekwa akohwehwe na me de abrawo ofia subscribe ma me na join Kotoko reaction 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 na yendi kasubom no ewa ha sei yes pepa cho meji aboafo meji dwedi ton mo amopese mo bom mo dwedi ho nioma dawro no pepa cho meji ewo efia nti obe WhatsApp me 0247 10 7260 uni hwe kra be ton na pese sponsor ya mesrew bra na brown ball na afi we pese ye adwuma no eco different level kra it's mesrew join it na WhatsApp me na yendi ho nkomo we are going to so much appreciate this from you nti mehwemanim on that afi yenko story no about mamemfa Kumasi Asante Kotoko match report Kotoko youth team no sisi ameno ka say all 9 points after beating Prof Quarm and then also full alignment about 10 and a game no a shas here na Prof Quarm for the chair say omo ye hard kakra but first half no na Kotoko Clement Amponsa ebiego no aba Kumasi Asante Kotoko iti ye ball first half ni we dey na ye 1-0 leading Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye ba second half no na Anthony Dua ebebo 2 goals ema Kotoko but samre no na nkofo no edika tika no ba kwa 2-1 na 2-2 na kwa 3-2 anti Anthony Dua this young chap Anthony Dua mesi edin no muntie ni ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko Clement Amponsa ene to atena no ena Anthony Dua ebo 2 goals ena complemented the 3 goals at Kotoko they win 3-2 over Professor Quarm against Professor Quarm also full alignment yes Division 3 Zone 1 so far Kotoko 9 points we win 3 out of 3 and also any information is I can I was say medishim amount now and no baba ya sports stadium no dey koba yi I say no the entire amount for so many J and say you go straight to the point dey koba yi nkofo bi fra bruchi be hwe ball ni bi no mo ko VIP nti omo duru ticket wona na was omo twa ticket wura mu no ena oba baako ene NSA guy oba na de so on ton ticket no also mostly say adwuma na yetare mama oba na ton ticket no ena NSA guy no so hye ho nti as a family of 3 nipa no fra bruchi na aba based on report amitaka nti as omo standard na omo life na akoye high nti omo say omo pe VIP akọ VIP ticket ena NSA ni no ene oba no allegedly kunai ena omo ma abusua no complimentary ticket. Complimentary ticket no a ticket a yenton nti ye no sa no. What it means is say I wasn't go ton ticket VIP ticket ankasa ya churo sika eguso 100 cedis 50 cedis ni ade bi. Emma omo se nipa se ya nanka ye twa mo. Nanka omo de ko akohebo ni bi but omo ji sika ne hye omo ho. They allegedly took the money and I don't catch go for this or complimentary card and so omo VIP. That is it. They've siphoned money. Do you get it? That is omo wieska afa chiri. A kwan of us we wieska no. Ticket no. Ka wasn't go moto ticket na sika ne be Kotoko accounts but complimentary no mo dem no magiska no e dey show mo. So it was quickly reported to Chairman Solo no stadium. So Chairman Solo came to the scene and it became back and forth. So arrest call was made and the NSA guy and the Obara no auto ticket no. Nya na obechire nsemu. Yonko police station. You drew an oko chire nsemu. I'm told that the case was referred to the Kumasi Central Police. Nti enne anope no na omukọ ya based on information I think say they've been released. Based on a preliminary information before some I'm told some more one pay. Now, yet unofficial, but preliminary information is that they've been released based on bail term conditions. The case on now so, and it is likely even to go to court. Now the beer clerk crawl mo yesano a two be trapped once and for all. So and now the course so Kotoko winning no na NSA for any ubi ebo Kotoko chrono we. Because the money stops nonsense. I got to go on the stadium, man. NSA ni any beko akopena za ometna gate. A hard dream. Me you know. A mumpa say a club no be do sa standard no. That's how you maybe say the hard dream.